Real quick before I start the video, I wanted to remind you guys that at 1,000 subscribers I'm going to do a data log overview of one of my record passes, and also I'm going to add in at 600 subscribers I'm going to do a little data overview of the passes from my first track outing with the car when it was actually on the stock ECU. I thought that might be entertaining and then kind of help me learn how to do it before I do the 1,000 subscriber one a little bit better. But this video, it's from Roswell, the no prep that I just went to this last weekend. I was helping out on a friend's car, Travis Hawkins. It's a F-body with a 408 turbo, kind of budget build or whatever, nothing crazy. It's got single adjustable shocks and all that, a nice 9-inch and TH400. But we actually ran into some issues with the fuel pump. We were limited by that, so we didn't get to turn it up as much as we wanted to, but still got some pretty good passes and did pretty good. And I also got some other clips of some other cars and a couple wrecks actually. One of them I didn't get the best footage of, but and then some close calls. But it was a pretty good weekend. We did good, and we learned some stuff and had fun, and that's what it's all about.
That was close. Way faster than I expected it to be.
Pretty sure he jumped. I'm pretty sure he did. Dang. That was lucky.
Hey!
Shit! No, you got it! You got it! Oh, God almighty! Oh, you did smack that off.
Spinning.
This is Faustino Garcia out of Roswell, New Mexico, driving that Cobra Mustang. He drove the by chip. He'll be heading out of the next. him, make sure everything's okay.
That sucks.
So there it is. It sucks that we ran into the fuel pump issues and we're limited to pretty low boost. And we were really pushing it a little farther than we should have, just because the car does have has a Holly, it has a Terminator X on it, and so I had a safety set up in the Terminator to where if it hit over 99% or 100% injector duty cycle and was over like 11.8 air fuel for more than a tenth of a second or two, then it would do an ignition cut just to make sure, just to let him know if it was going too lean to where it was going to possibly hurt the motor. But we had that happen once in the cash days, back half of the track race, but we kind of just kept it a little safer on the actual race, and unfortunately wasn't quite enough power, as you can see, but it still went a new best and it did pretty good and didn't hurt anything, so that's always good. We'll get that fuel system upgraded and a few other things and come out faster next time. So hopefully you guys liked the video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and let's see if we can get to that 600 subscribers and 1,000 subscribers so we can get those data videos out and start teaching a little bit, or trying to teach a little bit about how I do things and seeing how I keep this little 4.8 alive.